Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the Winsor & Newton ProMarker range, with 148 colours from intensely vibrant to subtle pastels and neutrals. There are 6 sets of 6 markers: mid-tones, rich tones, pastels, vibrant, neutral and skin tones. And there are 2 sets of 12 markers available in mixed tones plus a blender. Blendable, alcohol-based, translucent ink and a ProMarker blender. Each ProMarker has a broad chisel and fine bullet nib. So versatile too, they can be used on ink-resistant surfaces like ceramic, glass, plastic and wood. We have hundreds of different Winsor & Newton markers to choose from. Why not try our ProMarker manga set range? There are 5 sets to choose from, like this fantasy set here. Each set has 12 markers plus a blender to help you create some interesting manga creations. If you want to know more about Winsor & Newton's ProMarker range, simply ask in store or visit our website. Thank you for watching.